notice all those protein bars in the store? I want you to toss those unhealthy protein bars aside. Give the MrBeast Peanut Butter Protein Bar a ride. Let's go. We're gonna add 3/4 of a cup of peanut butter, 2 tablespoons of coconut oil, and 3 tablespoons of honey.
Melt that up.
Into our melted peanut butter, we're gonna add 1 tablespoon of vanilla, 2 cups of Bob's Red Mill gluten-free oats, 1 scoop of vanilla protein powder, half a cup of toasted coconut, and 1/4 teaspoon each of salt and cinnamon. Mix until combined. Now press that into a square baking dish lined with parchment paper. Press till it's even and flat. One part of MrBeast Peanut Crunch chocolate bar, chopped up on top, press it in. Back into the refrigerator for at least an hour. Something's looking incredible. Let's give it a try. You just said goodbye to bland food. Hello to good food. Woo!